Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Patman Performance. I got an awesome video coming today. It's finally time that we're gonna try to get this Honda back together. It's been down a long time. I really miss driving it. It's such a fun little car to drive. We're gonna really make some progress on it. I'm gonna try to get that transmission back in and get it ready to start ripping again. So thank you so much to everybody that has watched the other videos, and especially those that have subscribed. It means so much when you subscribe. Please do so if you're not subscribed already. It's free, it's easy, it's quick. Please, it would mean a lot to us if you subscribe. So stick with us. We're going to get this thing up and going and have it back on the streets here real soon. It's finally clutch and flywheel time, guys. I've had this stuff for so long, just sitting in the box. I'm ready to finally put it on. So on the Hondas, the pilot bearing is actually a ball bearing that goes right into the flywheel itself. Very, very lightly tap it. Being careful here to only tap the outside. Alright, got it all seated in. Good to go. So now I can go ahead and torque the flywheel onto the engine. So I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on these, and then the spec that I found online for torque said four separate steps. Said to go 19, 38, 57, and then 76. And of course you're going to want to go across in a star pattern, as you do with anything that you're torquing that's round, just like wheels or anything else. Alright, first round is 19 foot-pounds. Next round is 38. Now 57. Now last step is 76. All right, flywheel's on. All right, guys, so the next step is we're going to put the clutch on. I have my my disc here inside of the pressure plate. I'm going to use my alignment tool. Got it started good there. I'm going to put a bolt in the top to hold it, and then we will put Loctite on these as well. And then we're going to tighten these in steps too. We're going to go 5, 10, 14, and then 19 on the final torque. Alright, I got it all sucked down. So here's the first step, 5 foot-pounds. Next step's 10. There we go. Flywheel and clutch are on. We're now ready to stab the transmission back in it, and we're well under our way to getting this thing back running. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video off here. I got a lot accomplished tonight, but still a long way to go. So I really appreciate you sticking with us and watching these videos. Thank you so much for those that have subscribed. It really means a lot to us. That's what we need, is more subscriptions. But yeah, tonight we were able to get the transmission bolted back in. Starters on, hooked up, got the sleeve cylinder back in. Motor mounts, everything on the bottom's done. So the dust shield that goes over the bell housing and the little brace on the backside and all that's all done. So yeah, we're well on our way. In the next video, I got to go get some new axles for it and oil and filter and just everything we need to finish it up. We're going to go ahead and try to get this thing fired up soon. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.